Hello, welcome back to my crafty corner. This is Sarah. So I'm back to show you what we're going to be using for the new little album that we're going to be making. And I have some papers here. Now these are digital papers, and I'll go through and I'll show you them. These are the first set that I'm going to show you are from. It's a digital printable that I got off of Etsy. And this is actually, I think, like a junk journal type deal, but I really like these, so I think we're going to use these. Compass and ink, and this is called Beautiful Boo. And I will, of course, link all of this down in the description box below. So I'll go through and I'll show you these. So it's going to be like another little Halloween mini. And it's got like a lot of nice ledger with the leaves and the pumpkins. Some florals. We have a little bit of purples in there, so I think I'm going to add a little bit more purple to these. Some nice collage little elements on there. Some nice greens. We probably add some more greens. I like that little pumpkin. Oh, it's so cute. And I've just printed this onto cardstock. And this cardstock is from Walmart, I do believe. And I'm not sure exactly which brand it is, but I picked it up from Walmart. It is 110-pound cardstock. Then we have some with the little pumpkins. And now this one also comes with, and it's separate, so you get all of the printable ones. And this one, I'm not sure if this one comes with the paper line itself or if it comes with the elements so that you can like print on the back side. Of course, with these you can print anything on the back side. And I haven't yet, and I might though. So, but it comes with, well, there's a different set. It's still called Beautiful Boo, but it's just the Elements pack or ephemera. So we have some envelopes, some like little policy, like coin envelope type deal. Just a nice regular size envelope. Another one there. And then some different tags. And little ephemera pieces, little postcards, some tickets, some cute little words, and then of course the little photo tabs, just some tags, and then some different little pockets that can be added. And then that's all for this one, and this is the Compass and ink. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's Beautiful Boo. Okay, and then I have these, and this is called, this is from Studio on the Corner, and this is called Farmhouse Halloween. And so it's just some nice patterns with some oranges and, you know, blacks. And let's see what we got in here. So we have some nice stripes. Some nice like plaids, some gingham check. We have it like at a diagonal and then just, you know, straight. We have that in the black, and then we have the orange. It's the same way, the diagonal and then the check. And then this one I had a boo-boo with my printer, but I didn't want to throw that away, so I'll keep that strip and use it. I do have that pattern though. I had to, you know, my printer stopped working on me there. A nice stripe there. And is that, yeah. And then another type of a plaid. And then here's the stripe. It's like the opposite of the first one. So here you've got like the larger orange and then the smaller black. Here you have the larger black and the smaller orange. So like that. I really like this one. It's like a type of a plaid or a ledger type deal. I'm not sure. And then we have the black for it. And then we have just the orange stripe, just like that black stripe. So I really like those. So we're going to use these as well. And I haven't decided if I want to use solid cardstock or if I want to add like, try to find some printable, just solid types that will go with these. Because like I said, I do want to add a little bit of the purple and some more of the green, and we have that in this on some of the in the back. We have like little spatters of purple, and you might not can see it on camera, but there we have some of the greens spatter. Yeah, like here we have the purple spatters, and I like that, so I think I want to add a little bit of purple. Let's see, I've got these colors. And I have more of these. I just have these kind of pulled out. So I have some greens. I have a lighter purple, which I'm not sure I would use. And then I have like this color, but I think I like that one the best. Maybe these two. But I don't know if I want to use the solid or, like I said, if I want to find a printable. Actually, I don't have to find. I have some printable ones. I'm just not sure. I'm just not sure. Let me see. I know that green will go. Do I like that one? I actually think maybe that purple is a little bit better. So maybe we'll go with that one. Oh, I don't know. Maybe we'll do both. Is that the same? Yeah, that's the same as that. And then there's the lighter one. So we'll see which one we go with. I actually think I like that one the best. And the green. And those still look good together. So, and I think that's going to be it. I think we're just going to use the, all of this ephemera that comes with it. All right. So this is the paper that we're using. We're going to use black for the base. And in the next video, we will be making the covers and the pages, getting those figured out as to what size we want. And yeah, so this is all I have for this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.